2017 Ford F-350. It is a Lariat, 160-inch wheelbase. Just over, I think it's 45,000 kilometers. See the step bars there. We have a tailgate step. We have backup camera. We have reverse sensing, of course. This has a Line-X spray-in liner. We do have window guards. And inside, well, we've got some leather heated cooled front seats. We do have a dual panel moonroof. We have navigation. We have Bluetooth, or sync as Ford calls it. Personally, I think Ford gives these vehicles steroids. You'll find this one at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln. It's 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.